Safekids Aotearoa giving you the chance to win a $500 Baby Factory voucher. Keep watching to find out how to win.
Hi guys, Merry Christmas. Welcome to Carseat Conversations. I got a really special guest picking me up. It's Santa!
How's it going, Ahri?
Now you just napped like a normal person.
Where's the sleigh? Oh, it's the sleigh's back in the North Pole. It's got no rego. Ha ha ha! Times are hard. In the North Pole Boulevard. Welcome aboard. Oh, before you jump in the car seat, you're not allowed to wear your bulky jacket.
Why do I have to take my jacket off before I got in?
Well, you see, if you wear a bulky jacket, then it will mean that your straps are not as tight as they should be. So it's best to take off your bulky clothing so the safety belt will sit very snug.
Let's go drive!
Let's go, Rudolph! Would you like to tell me what you would like for Christmas, Ahri?
Treehouse.
Oh, a tree house. Have you been a good girl or a naughty girl?
A good girl.
Tell me all the good things you have done.
I did my chores. I did the lounge. I set up my lounge, take all the bed stuff away, put pillows on. I got myself to sleep with Ava.
Thanks for telling me the truth.
Mm.
Now tell me all the bad stuff you've done.
Well, I haven't even done bad stuff. I accidentally throwed sand at
And did you tell Ida to stop it?
Nope.
Well, that kind of makes you guilty by association. You saw a bad thing happening and you didn't stop it.
You sound like you're a bad Santa.
Pardon?
You're like a nice Santa.
I'm the only Santa.
Okay. Where the elves sit in the sleigh?
At the back. It's the safest place.
Oh, and you drive the front seat?
Usually, yes. But my sleigh has no warrant of fitness.
Can fit you and the other elves.
What are you saying?
Do you ever deliver presents down in the chimney?
Not so much these days. It's very dangerous going in the chimney because fire,
Spiderwebs?
spiderwebs. These days I use courier.
Doors?
Yes, doors are very helpful. Where should we go now?
For lunch. Close your eyes, Santa. Huh? Right?
Oh, milk and cookies. I'm actually lactose intolerant. The milk, it's bad for my stomach.
Oh.
Oh well, guess that's why they call me Father Christmas. Oh, the beard makes it so enjoyable. Mrs. Claus is not going to be happy.
Is Mrs. Claus even real?
Is she real? She's a real pain. Am I right?
Can day of Christmas when you love it to me, to Kumara and a buka in a bonga tree. Do the other elves have a seatbelt?
Oh, of course they do. They have a seatbelt and they sit in booster seats. And all the little children and all the boys and girls, if you're not 148 centimeters, you should be sitting in a booster seat too, or you won't be on the good list.
How do you deliver all the presents in one night?
Oh, what a great question.
The elves, and you do the elves do it, and then you do the last one?
Exactly right, Ahri. The elves do all the work, and then I just do the last one and say, "Oh, look at me, I'm Santa, I did all the good work." I'll be back. Don't go anywhere. Oh, I'm on kitty lock. Oh, ho, ho, annoying is that? The show is so budget.
What do you think about the Santa?
I know it's not A. He just tripped up A. I don't know why he just up. Why do you have
Okay, are you ready, Ahri? Close your eyes. Merry Christmas!
A coin?
But not just any coin. It's a $2 coin. Don't spend it all at once.
Thanks for bringing my show, Santa.
Thanks for having me, Ahri. Don't forget to be a good little girl if you want that tree house.
Okay.
Tree you later. Get it? Tree. You've made it to the end of the video. For your chance to win a $500 Baby Factory voucher, all you have to do is comment with your favorite line and tag a friend. For a second entry, share the video.
Are you actually Nat or no?
No, I'm Santa Claus.
Nope, you're just Nat.